The official Amplifier worship service Borisdronevil T-Shirt is a must-have for fans of experimental music and those who appreciate bold, statement-making apparel. Inspired by the heavy, droning sounds of Boris and their iconic Dronevil album, this T-shirt captures the essence of immersive soundscapes and sonic exploration. The design prominently features a striking visual that pays homage to the band's signature amplifier-driven performances, making it a perfect tribute for both longtime followers and new listeners alike. Whether you're attending a concert, heading to a music festival, or just want to express your love for avant-garde metal and drone music, this T-shirt effortlessly blends style with a deep appreciation for the art form. The bold graphic stands out against the fabric, ensuring you'll turn heads wherever you go while representing the powerful energy of Boris's music. Official Amplifier worship service Borisdronevil T-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Elevate your style with the official Amplifier worship service hoodie by Borisdronevil. Elevate your worship style with the official Amplifier ladies tee. Faith meets fashion. Stylish official Amplifier worship service sweatshirt, perfect for music lovers and fans. Unleash your faith. Official Amplifier worship service tank top by Borisdronevil. Wear your spirit. Join the Amplifier worship service in style with our exclusive Borisdronevil T-shirt. Beyond official Amplifier worship service Borisdronevil T-shirt eye-catching design. The is crafted with exceptional quality and comfort in mind. Made from 100% cotton, the shirt provides a soft, breathable feel that's perfect for everyday wear or for enduring long hours at a live show. The premium cotton ensures durability without sacrificing comfort, making it suitable for repeated washes while retaining its shape and vibrant print. Additionally, the T-shirt is manufactured in the United States, reflecting a commitment to high production standards and ethical, ensuring that your support. This combination of quality materials and local manufacturing guarantees the high-quality print ensures the design. Wear with pride, knowing it was made to last, whether you're layering it under a jacket for a night out or pairing it with jeans for a casual day. The official Amplifier worship service Borisdronevil T-shirt seamlessly blends, whether you're buying it for yourself or as high-quality fashion, making it an essential. The pretty Chicago Cubs nurse. It's a other product, a must-have addition to any wardrobe.